This spaghetti sauce is packed full of meat, onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, and flavor. What is really nice is that it is cooked in the slow cooker. If you have an Instant Pot, better yet. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make an easy, thick, and delicious meat sauce that you can use for a lot of recipes. Stay tuned. The crock pot is perfect for making a really good spaghetti sauce or meat sauce. Everything cooks low and slow. The sauce gets nice and thick and rich in flavor. I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef that I'm cooking and chopping into small pieces. When the beef is no longer pink, I'm adding in about 1.5 cups of diced mushrooms. I like to cook the mushrooms for 2 to 3 minutes along with the ground beef because they tend to get a little rubbery if you just toss them in with the sauce. And that is just my preference. Adding a little salt and black pepper, stirring and cooking for 1 more minute, and then I'm draining off any excess fat. You don't want your sauce swimming in fat. Now we are putting everything together. In my crock pot, I'm adding the burger mushroom mixture. This is 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and this will help keep the sauce nice and thick. In goes 1 28-ounce can each of crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce, giving that a good stir. Next, I have 1 cup of finely diced onions and bell peppers, 4 large cloves of minced garlic, and this is 1 teaspoon of better than bouillon beef. This will give the sauce a nice rich depth of flavor, giving that another good stir. The spices are nice and simple. I have 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and along with the minced garlic, this will add a good garlic kick that you want. Adding in 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, and a pinch more of black pepper. You could also use some Italian seasonings, marjoram, or rosemary if you like. You could also add a little red pepper flakes if you like some heat. If you noticed, I did not add any salt, and this is because the canned tomatoes and the beef bouillon contain enough salt for us. You can add to your taste. Also, if you like a little sweet to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes, you could add some sugar to your taste. That is why I don't buy jarred spaghetti sauce. They tend to be really sweet to me. But you add what you like. That is what homemade recipes are all about. Giving that a good stir, covering and cooking on high for 4 hours or on the low setting for 8 hours. Give it a good stir about halfway through. And this is the end result. My house smells so good. The sauce is nice and thick and has a really rich depth of flavor. You can serve this over spaghetti or toss with any pasta. I use it for my ziti pasta bake, lasagna, serve over rice, or even some toasted garlic Parmesan bread. The sauce is so good, you can't go wrong. I hope you give the slow cooker spaghetti sauce a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!